Welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're going to be walking through this Boston Whaler 28 Vantage. On the back of this boat, we are going to have twin Mercury 300 V8s. These are going to be joystick piloting editions, so we'll get to that when we get to the helm. But as you enter the boat, you're going to notice that this is going to be a great boat as kind of a crossover. It's going to be a great fishing boat with some of the utilities on board, but also a nice lake boat. So here in the back, we have it set up right now kind of as our day boat section. We're going to have the seat in the backrest and also your seat out. When it comes time to fish, just pick that up, and then you have a nice open cockpit back here. You have all your rods holders up top, down the sides. You'll also have your live well right back here in the back. Very nice access to it. You have the bait wells on both sides underneath, so you can plug those up or just run them. This boat does come with the dive door. I love this option here on the lake because when you do use it as a lake boat, you can have people get in and out of the boat, jump in the water, and you do have a ladder that keeps you away from the back of the boat. So with little kids, obviously we do have the ladder back there, but just an extra safety precaution to go through the side. And then again, very nice door that closes up to lock everything in the cockpit. So we move forward, we are going to have some nice seating here. You have your sink underneath the countertop, a very nice storage compartment underneath, and very nice seating arrangement here. Very versatile. You can have it sitting back to have seating on both sides, have kind of at halfway, or let it go all the way down for maximum loungers. And then on the opposite side of the boat, you're going to have the wonderfully equipped helm. On this boat, we'll have the 12-inch Simrad with very nice rocker switches all the way down the dash. You're going to have your JL audio control right here, your trim tabs, both engines, and then, like I mentioned on the back, the joystick. This is amazing because you have a couple options. You can do skyhook, which will hold you in a certain position. You also have the capability to maneuver the boat via the joystick. So if I click sideways on the joystick, the whole boat will maneuver. If I twist the joystick, the boat is going to turn on a dime. So it makes it very nice to allow anybody to come up and control the boat very safely, efficiently, and allows you to dock this boat like there is nothing stopping you from it. Here on the port side, we will have a nice head. You do have some rod storage that goes up underneath, and then a nice sink. So we move forward. You do have the block-off door and a nice access point here to your storage, but there's also two more spots to get in. Right here, you'll have access to that 5-gallon bucket you saw, and then when you come up here for all of your rods, you do have access through the bow. I love how they've given you access in 3 different points, so no matter what you're trying to get in your storage compartment, you have a way to access it efficiently. If the door is closed and your windshield's closed, you can access it from inside the cockpit or from the bow. You'll also have cushions up here that you can remove in any case to, again, fish or use it as a lake boat. You'll have access to some nice rod holders up front, a windlass anchor system, and more. So give us a call today to set up your appointment to see this boat in person.